Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name's Hillary. I'm a mom to a 3-year-old named Sebastian and a 1-year-old named Zeb, and it's Bachelorette weekend. We are headed to Charleston. Come along for the vlog. Hi guys. Okay, so it's Bachelorette weekend. I'm excited. This is gonna be such a good time. I am currently driving, obviously, and okay, so I am headed to Walmart. There's like 2 things that I need to grab that I forgot to get earlier, so I'm gonna go there and grab those, and then I'm going to Starbucks to grab a coffee, and then I'm headed over to Rachel's house to meet up with Ariana and Kristen, and we are loading up from over there, grabbing anything from Rachel's house that we need to get for her, and then we are hitting the road. So come along for the fun. It's gonna be such a good weekend. I'm excited. So yay, here we go. Okay, so I just got to Austin and Rachel's. I'm waiting on Ariana and Kristen, but we have a couple things from Rachel's that we need to load up, and then it will be time to go. I got my Starbucks, and I got the stuff I needed from Walmart. And then I've got to figure out where I want to put these cookies for the car ride, because obviously I don't want them to break and crack and stuff. But, which I don't even know, did I show you guys? One moment, let me grab you. Let me turn you around. Look how freaking cute these are. This is my first time doing decorated sugar cookies. I'm so excited and so proud of them. Like, obviously I have a long way to go. I see their like errors and stuff, but like, that's the one that's messed up. But like, look at this one. Look at my disco ball. How freaking cute is that? Like, the bride, camera strap. Like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. Little puppy. Oh, and then of course. Anyways, yeah, I'm so excited. They look so cute, but I forgot where I'm gonna put them so they don't break. So. So it is 11:30, and we're finally on the road. We were supposed to leave at 10, but it's okay. We're on the road, and now I'm driving. I'll see you guys later. Just crossed the South Carolina border. I actually, so I'm following Ariana and Kristen when, we all left. They're in the same car together, and then I have our car. And I actually separated from them because I had to go to the bathroom, and I was starving. Because, like I said, I thought we were leaving earlier, so, I ate breakfast, but, I hadn't eaten lunch, but they had Chick-fil-A, and so, because of that, I was starving, so I texted, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna get off at this exit, I'm gonna grab some food, and then, I'll catch back up. Did not know we were this close to South Carolina, so that's super fun. I got Arby's, and I got a beef and cheddar max, and I just get, no bun, because I am trying so hard to eat as gluten-free as possible. Obviously, when you're eating fast food, there's no, guarantee or whatever of, what you're gonna, have. I'm trying to eat as gluten-free as possible. I don't know what I was saying. Anyways, yeah, we're in South Carolina, so making good time. I actually don't even know how much time I have left. I haven't really looked at the GPS, but yeah, doing good. It's exciting. It's 2:54. I have exactly 59 minutes, so we're in the final stretch. I am so bored. So bored. I mean, it's kind of nice, driving by myself because it's peaceful and quiet, but I am so bored. I've listened to, a different podcast, different music, an audiobook, switching it up with what I'm listening to, but it's getting to the point where I'm, incredibly bored, and my GPS took me some way where part of the time I was, off the interstate, and I was on back roads, and I was literally behind, 5 semi-trucks for probably the last hour, so I'm, about to go insane because I've been having to go so slow behind the trucks, and that's just awful. But I'm back on the interstate now. Yay. And we have an hour left. So, I keep checking on Find My Friends. I keep checking to see, if I've caught up to Kristen and Ariana yet. And I'm, 5 minutes behind them still. Which is kind of crazy considering, my GPS took me through the side streets and I stopped, and I'm still only 5 minutes behind them. So I don't know if they've stopped or anything, but it doesn't look like they have. But yeah, we're making progress. I'm very bored, but I heard from Sandra, and she said, which is my mother-in-law, she said the boys are doing good, which is very exciting. So already missing them, ready to just be there though. Also, I have to pee again, but I don't really want to stop again. So I'm in this weird like, how long can I hold it kind of sitch. So we'll see. But yeah, almost done. Okay, so I'm the first one here. They stopped for ice, so I thought, while no one was here, I would show the house really quick. We have the kitchen. Oh, this little area is cute. That's our laundry room. We have a little, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Cute little patio. This cute little area that overlooks our pool. Oh my gosh, fresh. Let's go this way. So we're back, kitchen. This is the front door. Let's go down the hallway. Cute. There's a bathroom, or a bedroom, and another bedroom. Bathroom, and this is the master. Oh, cute. And then I guess that's like toiletries. I don't know what that is. So that's the house. Okay, I'll show you guys more in a sec. Okay, so had to pee. There's supposed to be a fourth bedroom. I'm wondering if it's over here. So that's the garage. Oh, cute. See, this is creepy. I might wait till they get here. Because I'm wondering if that's another door, because they said that they had a frog above the garage. So I'm thinking that might be the door, but like, I don't know, it feels kind of creepy to walk up there by myself. I guess I can show my face, but I don't know. That door over there, they said that there's a room above the garage, but by myself it feels really creepy to open that door and go upstairs. So I think I'm gonna wait till they get here. Let's see. Oh no, wait. Just kidding. It's gotta be this door. Oh, cute. Okay. So we go up to this. Oh, this is so cute. Nice. Okay, cool. This is so fresh. Okay, I'm gonna find some light switches and then start unloading stuff. And waiting for them to get here. Like I said, they stopped to get ice, so yay, we're here! I actually changed my mind. I don't want to start unloading stuff until they get here, just because I don't want like them to, like I want them to be able to see the cute, empty, fresh house and stuff. I'm gonna open these blinds and try and turn on some lights because it's just so fun. Oh, that's the garbage disposal. Didn't mean to turn that on. So there's no lights in here. Oh, also, I was going to show you, look how cute these little people are. They're little notes. Oh, look at their sweet note. And this. That's so fun. I'm literally just obsessed. All of this is so cute. Hi. So you just keep blowing?
Yeah, you blow till your head's about to pop off, and then it does it.
Holy shit! Sorry, door closed. I'm gonna die.
I know.
It's finally getting some air. That's insane. I think it literally is about to pop, you know? Like that. Oh my god! I was blowing, trying to blow out the middle. You said blow hard. So the E's broken. It's okay. It's a Brit. It's a Brit. She's a Brit. Well, you know what? I can blow up the R. For Rachel.
Yeah. R with the
just do
ring.
the R.
R with the ring
Yeah.
next to it.
That'll be a good, like, compromise. Blow the balloon, but so. What?
That's just wild.
Are you so excited? Just take a gander. Just walk around.